Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham and welcome back to honeycrunch321. My friend Anna gave me my very first BeautyBigBang stamping plate and we're also having a Halloween tween mani. And I was thinking, why not make a review video for BeautyBigBang03 Halloween stamping plate? So, this is BeautyBigBang03. Before trying this stamping plate, let me do my base for today's nail art. I already painted my nails with a white base and I already applied liquid latex because I'm doing a gradient next. So I'm applying orange and purple on a cosmetic sponge. Now I'm dabbing it onto my nails, creating a vertical gradient. Then repeat painting and dabbing until you reach the full opacity. Then let's do the cleanup. After that, I'm applying a holographic top coat. Now let's stamp the jack-o'-lantern pattern design with a white regular nail polish. Now I'm trying this skulls pattern. After stamping and doing the cleanup, I'm applying top coat. It has 3 full pattern designs. It has 8 individual designs. It's well etched and all of the designs are well suited for Halloween. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share this video to your awesome friends, and never forget to subscribe to see more videos just like this. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!